Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build a Cadillac Escalade in Minecraft. First, gather your essential building blocks like black concrete, quartz, and glass. Start by laying down a base of black concrete, making it 7 blocks wide and extending it for 21 blocks in length. This forms the sturdy foundation for your luxury vehicle. Ensure your base is perfectly level before moving on to the next steps. Next, let's focus on the exterior details. For the wheels, use gray concrete blocks, placing 4 on each side, leaving a 2-block gap between the front and back sets. Craft the iconic front grille using quartz stairs and add glowstone behind item frames for realistic headlights. Then, install glass panes for all the windows, giving your Escalade a sleek, transparent look. Now, let's move inside and build the interior. Lay down smooth stone blocks for the flooring, creating a clean and spacious cabin. For the seating, use black wool or leather blocks to simulate plush upholstery, arranging them in rows. Finally, cap off your build by constructing the roof using black concrete slabs, ensuring a smooth, continuous surface that matches the vehicle's luxurious aesthetic. To complete your Cadillac Escalade, add the finishing touches. Install iron doors on both sides, using stone buttons for easy access. Create side mirrors with gray stained glass panes for added realism. Consider adding a license plate using an item frame and a map. Feel free to personalize your build with unique color accents or interior decorations, making your Minecraft Escalade truly one of a kind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.